आज आमकां फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटाक एक वेरी रिलीजियस डे. रिलीजियस मिनींग वी डू द समुद्रा पुजा आनी आतां ही महापुजा चलता. And the very purpose of this ceremony is to pray to God for safety and sufficient resources, fish resources to the fishing community. And this is annual event for which Honorable MLA of this constituency also attended, Mayor also attended, and we have prayed to God that there has to be prosperity to the fishing community as well as the safety of the fishing community.
So the fishing season is now open?
Season has already opened from 1st, but we normally carry this puja on 14th August.
So now what are the plans for the year? Now
see, there are a lot of grievances of fishing community, maybe trawler owners, maybe traditional, and I need to address them. I need to reform certain systems. I need to do the changes so that in short I can say I have to simplify certain procedures for their welfare.